and I'm just getting sturdy. Came back and I'm just getting sturdy. I get sturdy.
Can't see myself on. Heading in Target. Gotta get a blanket because it's gonna definitely be cold in the movie theater. I can't even see. It's so bright out here. But I know it's gonna look good.
It ain't that cold. Out here. It's like you.
The baddies. The beautiful baddies.
Hello.
Cause period. Y'all see us. These are the throws. These. Yeah.
Oh, they got like
Be soft. Yeah. $10. Throws. I'm not really into the color.
I like this green. I got a green blanket on my bed, so I get the blue.
I like this white one with the eggs on it.
Ash is gonna be on it. It's mama dude. I'm telling the truth though. You see what she did.
Maybe I should get the green.
Oh, I like
Okay. The solid one. The sage green. You ain't get one?
No.
Oh.
I'm closed up.
Which one you want?
I might get one.
She ain't get one. Alright, so she ain't get one. I'm getting this one.
I like this one better.
Which one would y'all get? Write down in the comments below. Which one would y'all get? That is so bright. You know what? You a little sunshine.
Yeah. I'm just thinking about what I'm gonna cover up with on the couch.
You know what? Get out of here. Now we're heading to check out. Heading to check out. Check out. Headed to Bahama Breeze. Baddies, we have arrived to Bahama Breeze.
We might be going over there too.
What's on the menu? They got the party starter. Yeah, baddies. Y'all gotta come here. Y'all definitely gotta come here. Create a combo. Nobody love me like you do.
Hey, I'm Go to the room. Yeah.
We got the drinks, ladies. Drinks, water. Right? Where the wings at? You know we need some wings.
You want the wings? Yeah, but their wings might be more money than they. The caramel popcorn. Not the caramel. Yeah, they. You could drink it.
All right, baddies.
Want to make a toast to.
All right, cheers. Yeah. Y'all, y'all gotta understand how good the shrimp bowl was. The shrimp bowl was this good.
Let me see the camera.
That good. You understand?
I was just thinking the wall.
You didn't? Oh, we is getting nice and warm.
What a marshmallow.
We enjoyed the food. The food was amazing.
They going to sleep.
They don't tell
When
the
they
food
wake up from their
was
nap.
amazing.
They wake up from their nap.
Telling y'all that now. Come to Bahama Breeze, baby. You gonna be laid out, ready to
The
take a
stage
good
of
on
things.
walk.
Let me look at the Malaya.
I don't even want to drive.
Oh, they finally tied themselves on. Malaya,
She driving.
she got her.
Review. How was the food, Queen?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it an 11.
11. On a scale of 1 to 10, what? Bahama
To
Breeze.
me, the best thing was the firecracker shrimp. Amazing. So good that my eyes was bigger than my belly. I ordered 2 orders. So one of them going home with me. And one of them going to the movies with me.
Period. You know what? Get out of here.
Looking like Robin on Batman.
Get him. You do look like Robin. How do you feel about the food today?
The coconut comfort. That was, I give that a 10 out of 10. The
Hello.
firecracker shrimp, I give that 100 out of 10. I love shrimp.
100 out of 10. Y'all heard that. Y'all heard it first.
And the margarita.
From the Baddies crew.
The margarita. I'll give it a million out of 10.
Period. Cause it's crazy how we showed up here. We didn't even know today was Margarita's Day.
Hello. Did you add that extra drink? You gonna take
It was delicious.
Did you add
It was amazing. Everything was a 10 out of 10.
Is that extra drink?
Yeah, we're gonna leave with another drink.
Make sure y'all come to the Bahama.
I'll put another margarita in.
But we're gonna take it 3 to go.
Like a bad teenager. I ain't doing that. Walking around in my these shoes, I need to find me some comfortable shoes.
Hello.
They got some comfortables in there.
All right, baddies. So we're in the car. Time to get our minds right.
Yes.
Get it right. Get it right. Get it tight. Get it right. Get it right. Period.
You ain't gotta be showing the handicaps.
I know. I can't mess up the angles. Can't mess up the
Nona
angles.
do the same
let me turn on
thing. She do the same thing. Like you couldn't get the picture without the wall. It's crazy.
Oh, I'm sorry.
She
We
be
finna hot box the car.
What? Taking it back.
So no defrost. We
Okay.
finna hot box. Then we are defrost.
Y'all heard it here first.
For Mama Deuce.
It's been such a good day, and it's not even over yet, y'all. It's just getting started. After this, y'all probably won't see us again until after the movies. So,
Oh my gosh, back at it.
we'll definitely let y'all know how the movies was.
Hello.
Again, we gonna go see
Remember, it's
Mom
gonna
and
be
Madam.
spoiler alert.
Spoilers.
Spoiler alert.
So if you don't want to be spoiled, don't tune in for the next clip.
because we start drinking to be talking.
Hello. You better know it. I get it from my mama.
I'm a you. And mama do say.
Yeah, we want to use it. Enjoying sweet time, girls' time.
Hey, man, Jay wearing a green shirt.
It's straight.
And I'm gonna posting.
We get how uncertain the future is. We come of age in a complex world.
Period. They
Face to
hate
face.
don't like my stuff. Don't like my stuff. Oh, you out eating? Not with you. Hello.
The vibes.
At the Kindness Campaign, we know that adversity, isolation, and bullying to children and adults that promote better mental
The
health.
girls
To find out more
prepare
about
for the
you
weather.
can bring the Kindness Campaign.
And it's never too cold to look like a bad bitch.
Hello.
So make sure you stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready, bitch.